you are done. To modify your charts, you have to follow what I'm doing right now so that you don't get lost in modifying your charts. And now I'm choosing the color that I like so that the chart they can look the way I want. But for you, you can put any color that you like. And remember, the bar up and the bull candle, they are the same. As you can see, my charts, they are the way I want them to be. And remember, the bar up and the bear, which is in short for bearish, and the color must be the same. For those traders who want mentorship, you can leave your details on the comment section below. I will attend to you soon. For now, let's check our results on the chart. And let me finish taking the color, and then we go to the chart right now. Right there we go. That's our charts, and they look the way I want. This is yours truly, Broker the Trader, signing out. God bless everybody.